A fresh look into how self-made millionaires sculpt daily habits, stubborn mindsets, and the unexpected detours that shape success. They begin with deliberate morning rituals, time-blocking experiments, and ruthless progress reviews that keep lofty goals painfully honest. Setbacks become fuel as failures are logged as data, lessons are shared openly, and strategies are recalibrated without losing momentum. Early pivots and long nights reveal a culture of disciplined risk, practical mentoring, and leadership that elevates entire teams. This series translates real-world tactics into a clear path for aspiring founders seeking sustainable growth and meaningful impact.